Beautiful. Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Guatemala and we will try Guatemalan snacks and pastry. Alright, the first thing we have here is, what do you call this?
Dulce de coco.
Dulce de coco. Alright, so coconut sweet. You see what this looks like?
Cocada. That's the name. Cocada.
Cocada. Alright, so let's try cocada. It's very rich in coconut and I like coconut personally. For me, this is a plus. Here we have, what do you call this?
Cocada también. Same cocada name.
Cocada. That is super sweet. It's the sweetest one I've had so far. It's the sweetest one I've had so far. But I like it. Wait, what do you call this? Cocada.
Nuegados.
Nuegados. This is very traditional, so let's see what it tastes like.
Nuegados.
It's basically sweet bread. It's my least favorite so far, but it's not bad. Just that these are just nicer. And finally, what do you call this?
What's that?
Chote, mote.
No, what's that?
It's not mote.
Camote.
Camote, right, camote. I've never had this before and it's very traditional, yes? Alright. It's sweet potato. Yeah. Wow, I've never had sweet potato like that. It's good. So, in general, what I've had with Guatemalan snacks and pastry so far is that they're super sweet. I would definitely recommend that you try these snacks, but I advise to drink a lot of water.
Milhojas y Napoleones.
Okay, genial, okay.
Milhoja. Alright. I hope I like it. You can see that. Damn. Wait. It's sweet.
What we have here is a granisado, and it's made of cocoa, bananas, strawberry, and milk as well. And there's something else I think that's unique to Guatemala. And I will try this to see how good it is. And this is very typical. Yes, Tony?
Alright, yes.
The mix is good. It's very sweet. And you could have this be like citrus or sour, salty. What else can it be?
Mango, limon.
Alright, so there are a lot of flavors. So, and when do we drink this?
Every day. When you want.
Every day.
Cuando es, when it's hot. The day is hot.
Oh, it's really good.
It was difficult to find a non-meat traditional dish, so I just got vegetables. And this dessert, chancletas, was divine.
Pan de banana. Alright, muy Guatemala. Not too sweet. It's bueno.
Here.
Currently we are at Mirador de Guatemala, which simply means the view, Guatemala's view, where you can see the city, that direction right there. And currently we'll be enjoying a typical Guatemalan dish where we have one of each flavor or style. The first, on my right here, we have
Rellenito.
and then a traditional drink.
Yes. Hot drink made by corn atol de elote.
Perfect. And here to the left, it looks a little bit sweet. This is?
Taco, or traditional Guatemalan taco.
And now here in front of us we have 3 different types of tostados.
Tostadas.
Tostadas, which are in different flavors. So tell us the first one.
Tostada de frijol.
In the second.
Tostada de guacamole.
And the third one.
Tostada de salsa de tomate.
Perfect. So let us try and see what the typical Guatemalan gastronomical taste is like. Let's start with the atol. Oh wow, wait. Oh wow.
Corn sweet flavor, right?
Ooh. Oh, this. Let me take off the glasses. Oh, this is good. Wait, one more time. Amazing. Completely. This tastes beautiful. So let's start with the guacamole tostado. Oh wow. Amazing. Delicious. Let's go with the salsa de tomate. You see this? Absolutely beautiful. The sauce, the flavor, the crunch. Wow. I've had these things, well, similar outside of Guatemala. No comparison. And the last one is chocolate.
De frijol.
Frijol. This tastes like Jamaica. And now let's go for the taco. Beautiful. Presentation absolutely perfect. Just spin it in the sauce because I wanted the sauce, and just a small bite.
With potato, you know? Potato inside.
I swear. It's like I'm in a food heaven. And finally, relleno.
Rellenito.
Rellenito.
Plantain with beans inside.
Can you see that? Oh. Okay. Sweet. Should be very sweet, yeah? Oh, this is plantain. Wait, how do you get into that ball?
You do it, haces una masa.
Okay, everything here is just perfect. Like, above all, this tea, it slaps. Perfect.
This is arroz en leche, which is similar to what we have in Jamaica, which is called rice porridge. But the difference is that in Jamaica, rice porridge is more for eating, whilst this is for drinking.
And here we are at Miraflores, one of the biggest malls, if not the biggest malls here in Guatemala. The atmosphere is simply amazing. Now, as you can see, there's a food court behind me, so we are going to comer un poco. Or not really. But anyway, since I've been here, I've tried some amazing Guatemalan food, and yo, The food just bad. The food good. Like there's so many good things to try here that if you come here, it doesn't matter what you eat, vegetarian, vegan, meat eater, there's definitely something with Guatemalan cuisine that will be for you. As you can see, I've tried so many different things from snacks to food, and it's just mouth water looking good. So if you guys enjoy good food, come down to Guatemala, alright? So let's go.